In this video, I will show you how to earn $300 every minute for absolutely free. But before, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to Internet Tips. So this website called Logoground.com is where you can get paid up to $300 for less than 1 minute of work. This is a platform where people sell their designs for hundreds of dollars. Mostly they're worth at least $300, but some are way more expensive, like this one, which is worth $3,000. This one is $1,200. People are definitely making quite a lot of money by selling their designs or logos on here. So later in this video I will show you how I'm able to generate simple designs in less than 1 minute by using a simple free online tool that you can use with no previous experience, no photo design skills, and then sell your designs in here. So for the first step, go to the top of the page and click on Sell. Here is where you can create your account on this website, so just fill out all these boxes and create your account. Now, here on the left side, you can see some important info. First is that you need to be at least 18 years old to participate as a designer. Another important thing it says is that you must have a valid PayPal account to receive payments, since it's the only payment option this site offers. Now for the second step, go to this website called Canva.com. This is the website that we are going to be using to create logos for absolutely free, so later we can sell them on the previous website that I just showed you. So the first thing you need to do on this website is to click on the sign up button right here and create your account, which shouldn't take you longer than 1 minute. Once you've logged in, I want you to click right here on logo. And that's going to take you to this page where you have lots of these different logo templates which you can use. As you can see, some of these designs look very similar as the ones selling on Logoground.com. Now the first step to create a logo is to pick one that you like. I personally like this one, so all I have to do is to click on it. As it's fully customizable, now I can change literally everything. So let's say, for example, that my brand name is Subscribe. All I have to do is to click on this text box and type it. Next, I can change this icon. I can even change the colors if I want to. I can literally change anything. For example, I can change the background color. If I want to add more elements than here on the left-hand side, I can do so. I can select all of these different elements and I can customize them. I can change colors, I can change shapes, sizes, and so on and so forth. It's really simple and easy. If I, for example, want to add this one, I will just click on it and then it's going to load it here on the page. Now you know how this works and how simple it is to create designs with Canva. Once your design is done, you can go back to Logoground.com and start making money by selling your logos. Now, if you want to make even more money, watch my previous videos.